Are you recording?
Yes.
Hi, we lost a bet and now we have to run outside in a flapper dress and a little bo peep.
Oh, and if you couldn't tell, it's freezing out. As that creek over there is frozen solid. Why did we do this?
Oh, okay, let's go.
We're gonna run down a road singing. What should we sing? Come on, Ella, let's go. We got this.
Oh, it's so cold.
Yo, way up! Peacock!
I want to see your peacock. Your peacock.
I'm going in the house, I'm cold!
Your peacock.
I want to see your peacock!
Your peacock. Your peacock. Your peacock. I want to see your peacock.